Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I'll be discussing one of the very important remedies which I have used in my practice and clinically seen so many symptoms which are so very particular to that remedy. The remedy which I am talking about is Argentum Nitricum. You might have heard Argentum Nitricum. There's a lot of elements from fear or elements from fright, elements from an ordeal. Of course, that is a very important symptom for Argentum Nitricum. Remember, whenever a time is set, whenever a patient comes and tells you, okay, whenever I have to go at about 3 o'clock, I become very panicky. Whenever a time is set, there is a lot of anxiety and I cannot sleep the whole day till that commitment I have done. So whenever a time is set and the patient becomes very anxious, you must think about Argentum Nitricum. And whenever the patient becomes excited, he becomes very irritable. He's so excited, he becomes very irritable. It's a very beautiful symptom written in a Mathematica, irritability when excited. So whenever you find a case where the patient says that he's very excited and he becomes very irritable, then you must think about Argentum Nitricum. Few symptoms related to sadness of Argentum Nitricum are so very important, Whenever an Argentum Nitricum patient becomes sad, he suffers from indigestion. So this is what we want to know, the psychosomatic aspect of Argentum Nitricum. Whenever the patient says nothing, I have eaten nothing, I have had a very balanced diet, a good meal, but since few days I am not feeling happy, I am feeling a bit sad because of this, and my stomach, I have a lot of indigestion. That is a case of Argentum Nitricum. In fact, if there is sadness from pain in the stomach also, so that means the symptom is sadness, pain from stomach in. So whenever there is a pain in the stomach also, the patient becomes sad. So see, I have to do both the symptom, sadness with indigestion and sadness from pain in the stomach. Means the patient says, I'm feeling very upset, I'm feeling very sad, I don't like to miss in the world, I feel I should be at home because I have a lot of pain in the stomach. So this part of sadness is so important in Argentum Nitricum, And whenever there is sadness, the patient does not want to talk. This is again a very, very important indication of Argentum Nitricum, which I have seen in my practice. Sadness with indisposed to talk. Of course, there are so many symptoms of Argentum Nitricum in relation to elements of fright and anxiety and fear, irritability and sadness. But these 3-4 symptoms in relation to sadness and anxiety, I just wanted to share with you because with these symptoms I have got a lot of good results. And there are a lot of cases now will come after post-COVID pain in the lungs, and the patient has fear that he'll suffer from fibrosis. He has taken so many antibiotics, he has taken remedies for COVID, and whether he'll suffer from any lung disease because his friend has suffered, his XYZ has suffered. So this fear also is covered in Argentum Nitricum. Fear, lung disease off. You will find a lot of cases, where there is so much post-COVID fear of lung fibrosis. In that case also, Argentum Nitricum works very well. So these are the few symptoms today I wanted to share, which I have seen so many times in my practice, and especially this fear of lung disease also has given me so many good results in this post-COVID fear of fibrosis of lungs. So my dear friends, do see these symptoms in your practice because I have verified this in my clinic and I have got very good results. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.